The bow I'll be using is my Matthews Menace. And here's the exploding arrow here. So yeah, we're going to be shooting right over there. Right at that box thing. We're going to put a wheel or something in front of it to protect it. Okay, so here it is. This is what I'm shooting at. You're right next to my target. So let's hope I don't miss. That was nice. Here's the arrow. Smoke over here. It doesn't look like there's any damage at all to the arrow itself. You'll see in the actual tutorial video, if you watch that, this is pen housing right here, and that's shattered to bits by this. I think I hit here. I'd have to watch the playback to see, but hit somewhere on this board. So that was pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed. Just remember to rate, comment, and subscribe if you like the channel. There's going to be more cool stuff coming up soon. Peace. Hey guys, this is just the do-it-yourself archery target we're making. So first we just made this box. This is just plywood.